Want to know which compact loader quickly becomes a favorite on small construction sites and is always in high demand? Introducing the RIPPA RL06. The RL06 is powered by the reliable Kubota D1105 engine, strong, responsive, and proven. Lift the operator seat and you'll have immediate access to the engine bay. All key components are easy to reach, making maintenance simple and fast. At just 1,162 millimeters wide, the RL06 is compact enough to go where traditional loaders simply can't. Even with its small footprint, its 1,725 kilogram operating weight provides practical lifting performance, making it ideal for tight areas, backyards, small construction sites, and urban environments. With articulated steering and a lighter operating weight, the RL06 minimizes ground damage, making it a great choice for lawns, landscaping surfaces, and soft terrain. The open canopy design offers excellent visibility, and the protective safety rails provide added security on busy job sites. The adjustable suspension seat and multifunction joystick allow for comfortable, one-handed operation throughout the workday. The RL06 delivers a maximum dump height of 2,060 millimeters, and the reinforced structure ensures stability during lifting operations. The RL06 features a quick attach system with optional hydraulic quick change, making attachment swaps fast and effortless. In addition to the standard bucket, it's compatible with forks, grapples, snowblowers, and many others, allowing you to lift, push, grab, load, and more. So, is this the all-around compact loader you've been waiting for? The RIPPA RL06, compact size, big performance, ready for your next job site.